Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to change the language in Microsoft Access. This is particularly useful if you're working in a multilingual environment or simply prefer using Access in your native language. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, you'll need to start by opening your Microsoft Access app and loading into your database. Once the software has fully loaded along with your data, you're ready to begin making the language changes. This initial step ensures that you have full access to all the settings and options we'll need. Now, to change the language in Microsoft Access, look towards the top part of your screen and click on the File tab. This will bring up a menu with various options for managing your database and application settings. From here, direct your attention to the bottom of this menu where you'll find an option labeled Options. Go ahead and click on it. This is where all the customization magic happens. A small window will open up, and this is your Microsoft Access Options panel. It's the central hub for configuring how Access behaves and appears. On the left side of this window, you'll see a navigation menu with several tabs. Look for the Language tab and click on it. This section is specifically designed to help you manage the language settings for your entire Access application. Once you're in the language settings, you'll notice a button on the right part of this window that says Add a Language. Click on this button to proceed. You'll now be presented with a comprehensive list of several languages you can choose from to change your Microsoft Access language. Take your time browsing through the options and simply select the language you wish to use for your Access interface. After selecting your preferred language, click on Install. Microsoft Access will immediately start downloading this language pack. Depending on your internet connection, this might take a moment, so be patient while the download completes. Once the installation begins, click on OK to confirm your selection. Now comes the final step. Once the new language has been successfully added to your system, you'll see it appear in your list of available languages. Click on it to select it, and then look for the button that says Set as Preferred. Clicking this button will officially change your Microsoft Access language to your newly installed choice. The interface will now reflect your selected language, making it easier and more comfortable for you to work within Access. And there you have it. You've successfully changed the language in Microsoft Access. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.